The regional blood bank of Pasteur Institute Shillong, in collaboration with Rotary Club of Shillong, organized a voluntary donation blood camp cum awareness program on the 10th February 2021. Under the active leadership of the Commandant of 67th CRPF Battalion, Alok Bhattacharjee, CRPF personnel willingly donated their blood to save lives. Speaking on the occasion, Alok Bhattacharjee expressed deep appreciation to the health authorities of Pasteur Institute for providing the Central Police Force deployed at Polo Ground area in Shillong an opportunity to take part in this noble endeavor to save lives beyond the call of duty. Commandant Bhattacharjee said that the force is having huge resources that could be utilized as part of social service.
I've been able to contribute to this city and the state in the form of organizing this blood donation camp. You're aware that we have a huge resource base in terms of manpower and other resources, and we consider it to be a matter of honor that we are able to contribute not just to the security of the place, but also to various other aspects such as blood donation, etc., to help serve the people better. We've organized a donation of 25 donors, but we would like to assure that this process will continue for the next few months.
Speaking on the occasion, the president of Rotary Club of Shillong, Arundhati Paul, informed that a club with 3 million members worldwide are generating funds from their own resources in order to provide human services to the society. She also profusely thanked the CRPF personnel for their generosity to donate blood to save the lives of those people whom they may not even know.
I'm extremely grateful to Dr. Budna and her team. And the only reason why we are all here is to ensure that the benefit of blood reaches the last person in this town. That's the sole effort. इसी के लिए we are all here. And सबसे बड़ी बात है, the personnel of CRPF, your contribution. The world salutes you. Each citizen of India salutes you. आपका contribution. आप जहाँ श्रम से करते हो, जान से करते हो, यहाँ खून दे के कर रहे हो.